and I'm the cold stove girl. Wagwan, what's good, what's poppin'? As you saw in the title, today we'll be doing some pineapple barbecue ribs. Here I'm starting off making the marinade for the pork. And if you know me personally, you know how me love my Trenton. This is not the traditional way, but you know me want to put a spin to my thing. With some of the leftover liquid now, we're going to add some ketchup, a teaspoon of browning if we need it for extra color. Yeah, just to make a little sauce to dress the ribs so it look nice and pretty and make it juicy. I know my ribs look a bit rough, but yeah, I must chop it up and something at the butcher shop, so it not get a little smooth, clean cut there like you would get at the restaurant. But yeah, ribs, pork ribs. I said you could have smelled the ribs from way down the road. I like when my mashed potato have a little vibes to it. So I usually add a piece of thyme and a peg of garlic. You know, make that go and boil. Then I use fish season to give it the extra kick there. And piece of butter. Yeah. Or if you have milk, you can add milk. But I never have no milk and yeah, I never go buy none. So this can work, and I'm gonna ask, it tastes so good. Not my best plating, but yeah, me I rush the sun before the sun set. Come on, you know, have good lighting. But yeah, this is it. Pork juicy, not lie. This video no give no justice. Like, it was so juicy, falling off the bone. Please do remember to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment now. Tell me what you think. Until next time, walk good.